I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make red chili pickle. First, select about 500 grams of fresh, firm red chilies, ensuring they are free from blemishes. Wash them thoroughly and then dry them completely, as any moisture can spoil the pickle. Next, prepare your workspace and gather all necessary ingredients, including mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, turmeric powder, and salt. This initial preparation is crucial for a successful and delicious homemade pickle that you will enjoy for months. Now let's create our aromatic spice blend. Lightly roast whole spices such as mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds in a dry pan for a few minutes until fragrant. This step truly enhances their flavor. Once cooled, grind them into a coarse powder, then mix in turmeric powder, red chili powder, and a small pinch of asafoetida. Simultaneously, heat about 250 milliliters of mustard oil until it just begins to smoke. Then let it cool completely. This oil is vital for preservation. With our chilies and spices ready, it's time to combine everything. In a large bowl, mix the chopped red chilies with the freshly ground spice blend, adding about 2 tablespoons of salt and a splash of white vinegar. The vinegar adds a tangy note and aids in preservation. Next, pour the completely cooled mustard oil over this mixture, ensuring every chili piece and spice is thoroughly coated. Gently mix everything well before transferring it to a clean, sterilized, airtight glass jar, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. For the pickle to develop its full flavor, allow it to cure. Place the sealed jar in a sunny spot for about 7 to 10 days, shaking it gently once each day to ensure even distribution of flavors. It is crucial that the chilies remain submerged in the oil to prevent any mold from forming. Once cured, store your delicious red chili pickle in a cool, dry place. It will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 6 months, or even longer, ready to be enjoyed with your meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.